All right, so today we have a 2017 Volkswagen Type R in the shop. I went ahead and already cleaned it off. I took off the side trims right here that were here. And the antenna is off of the car. So we're gonna go ahead and clay the surface. It's a little rough, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. We're also bringing it out here and doing a black accent right here. So I'll go ahead and put you on tripod so you guys can go ahead and see what it looks like. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and spray some alcohol and give her a final wipe down before we lay the wrap. Alright, so the Volkswagens are kind of like the Camaro. They don't actually have a trimming piece here. So what I'm going to have to do is lay knifeless tape right there, just like the other side. And we're just going to follow this body line or divot, and that's where we're going to cut it. Alright, so we got everything put back together. It's clean, the antenna's back on. We also, like I said, did this little part. It actually looks really good. We're gonna go ahead and move it. We're gonna put the Rex in here and the Volkswagen out here. So yeah, this thing actually sounds pretty clean. I know he's catless on it, so we'll go ahead and move it. I'm too short, hold on, I gotta move it forward. Oh. Wow, he sits low. I can't even see over the hood. Where's the... How do you turn this thing on? Is there a button? Oh, what the heck? It's right here. Oh, oil change now. And he needs fuel. Oh, this thing's touchy. It's always funny getting into other kind of cars because they're so different than my CV. Why are you beeping? What do you think? It's good. I'm glad you like it.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Your keys aren't in there. Bye. That's it, guys. Most of you have already seen the car, but I hope to do a reveal video of it soon. I don't know what's next. I've been busy, but my time's freed up, so you'll probably see more wrap videos, more car videos, so stay tuned.